Today, we're gonna make chicken fillet with hash brown and buttered corn and carrots. Let's start making this easy to prepare meal na pwede rin pambaon ng mga kids. First, timplahan natin itong ating chicken fillet with some salt and pepper. I-add natin ito na bili ko sa grocery na pork and meat rub for added smoky flavor. Next, I added some garlic powder. Dinamihan ko ang aking garlic powder kasi mahilig kami sa garlic flavor para lasang-lasa mo talaga. Then, let's just mix it all together. After that, I just added 1 piece of egg. Tapos nilagay na natin ang ating flour and cornstarch. Then, i-mix lang natin lahat together para maging evenly distributed ang ating lahat ng seasonings. Tara, let's start frying this yummy chicken fillet. Make sure na mainit na ang ating oil bago natin ito prituhin. While we are frying out our chicken fillet, start na tayo sa ating buttered corn and carrots. Let's start heating up our pan. Pag medyo warm na ang ating pan, ay pwede na natin i-add ang ating butter. Tapos, lagyan natin to ng konting oil para hindi masunog ang ating butter. Let's start putting our minced garlic. Pero kung ayaw ng garlic ay pwede din naman wag nyo na ilagay ito. Tapos lagay na natin na ating minced onion or pwede rin onion powder ang gamitin nyo dito. I-mix lang natin lahat together until the onion is cooked. Ilagay na natin na ating frozen corn and carrots. Pero kung meron kayong fresh na corn and carrots ay mas maganda kung ito yung gagamitin ninyo. Then I just added a pinch of salt and sugar. Habang inaantay natin maluto ang ating corn and carrots at chicken fillet, start naman tayo sa ating hash brown. Air fryer ang gagamitin natin para maluto natin itong hash brown. I-arrange lang natin ito para evenly distributed pag niluto natin sa ating air fryer. Let's just wait for a few minutes until it's done. Ayan, ready na. Luto na ang ating hash brown. Kunin na natin to. After a few minutes ay natapos na din natin lutuin ang ating corn and carrots, hash brown, at ang ating chicken fillet. Ready to serve na ito mga ka-momsy! Let's prepare this plate for Daddy A para pagising niya ay nakaredy na yung kanyang food. Magtitimpla na lang ako ng coffee para masarap ka-partner nitong ating nilutong pagkain. It may be simple and easy but what's important is you cooked and prepare this meal with love for your family. Madami pa akong i-share sa inyo kaya follow All About Charm for more family-friendly videos.